Welcome to iLecture Online. Here's our next example with only two terms, but right away we realize that each term contains a 5, so that can be factored out. And each term contains at least one x. We have x to the fourth and x to the first, so we can factor out an x as well. So let's do that and see what we have left over. So 5x becomes the common factor, so we're left with an x cubed for the first term minus y cubed for the second term. And then right away you see now we have the difference of cubes, and we should remember how to factor it out. So this becomes 5x times, on the first binomial, we get an x minus y. So the only negative sign is on the first binomial. Everything else after that will be positive. And then here we get the first term squared, x squared, plus the product of the two, x times y, and then plus the last term squared, y squared. And that is then the factored form of the difference of cubes with the 5x as a factor in the front. And that is how that's done.